स्टूडेंट्स आस्क मी, सर क्या फ़ायदा सैम्पल पेपर्स को सॉल्व करने का? Your point is valid. It is a total waste of time if you don't analyze your solved papers properly. Analysis of the papers solved by you या फिर आपके द्वारा सॉल्व किए गए पेपर्स का समीक्षण करना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. There are 3 steps of analyzing your papers. Step number 1 is question paper analysis. Step number 2 is rectifying your answers. And step number 3 is analyzing your answer paper. Follow these 3 steps and get the maximum result, maximum output of the efforts which you have put in to solve pre-board papers or sample papers. Please remember that you have to do the analysis of the question paper only after solving your paper completely in a given amount of time. You can see on your screen a sample paper and you will find that I have used 3 different colors of highlighters to mark some of the questions. तो इसमें कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनको मैंने बिल्कुल मार्क नहीं किया बिकॉज आई एम थरो विद दोज क्वेश्चंस और इन क्वेश्चंस को कोई स्पेशल अटेंशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But there are certain questions which are marked with the red highlighter. These are those questions I was blank about. ये टेक्स्ट बुक के सिलेबस के किस पार्ट से पूछा गया, आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट्सोएवर अबाउट दीज क्वेश्चंस. और दूसरे क्वेश्चंस वो है जिन्हें मैंने मार्क किया है ग्रीन हाइलाइटर से. ये ऐसे क्वेश्चन है कि जिनको मैंने पढ़ा तो है लेकिन एग्जाम के वक्त उनके आंसर्स मुझे याद नहीं आए. और साथ ही साथ आई हैव यूज्ड अ ब्लू कलर हाइलाइटर ऑल्सो. दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस विच आई नो दे आर इन द सिलेबस बट उन पर और काम करने की ज़रूरत है. तो you can use any color highlighter or maybe you can use your pencil or pen, but make sure that you categorize your question paper into different kinds of questions, क्योंकि पेपर कंप्लीट करने के बाद में इन क्वेश्चंस पर काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि सेम टाइप के क्वेश्चंस जब अगले एग्जाम में आएंगे, जब आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में आएंगे तो इनके ऊपर आपके मार्क्स लूज नहीं होंगे और आप इसमें भी सारे के सारे मार्क्स स्कोर करेंगे. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नंबर 1, you have attempted your pre-board examination or you have solved a sample paper. 2, you have done the analysis of your question paper by using different color highlighters, that is red, blue or green. And there was another category of questions which were left unattempted. You left those questions unattempted because they were optional questions. Here comes step number 2, that is rectifying your mistake, and you can do that by resolving those questions whose answer you have written incorrectly and also writing the answers of those questions which were left unattempted. Because your question paper has some optional questions, please make sure that you solve those optional questions at home when you are analyzing your answer paper. Now comes part 3, that is analysis of your corrected answer paper. If you are solving sample papers at home, you can get it corrected from your school's teacher or from the teacher of your coaching classes, or maybe you can make a group of friends whereby you correct each other's paper. That also helps you in your preparation once you start thinking like a teacher. Once you have your corrected answer paper, please make sure you mark those questions which were attempted wrong by you. Then and there, learn the correct answers of those questions, because I am 100% sure that same or similar questions will be asked in your board examination. Yes, same or similar questions will be asked in your board examination. Second type of answer is that answer which you think is right but your teacher has marked that as an incorrect answer. In that case, you can approach your teacher who have corrected your paper and discuss the correct answer. Sometimes it might happen, कुछ ऐसे टीचर होते हैं जिनका ईगो हर्ट हो जाता है उनसे सवाल पूछने पर. In that case, you can approach your school topper friend or father or mother or your coaching teacher that may help you. Or in that case, you can also WhatsApp me your answer paper ka pic and I'll try to help you out. Make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, rectify them, but never ever repeat them. If you solve 3 to 5 sample papers and do a proper analysis of your question paper, answer papers and rectify your mistakes in the manner in which I have suggested you, I can guarantee you, you are definitely going to get 95 plus percentage in your board examination. If you want sample papers along with the answers from me, fill the comment box with your comments. Your demand is command for me. I will definitely give you some sample papers along with the answer keys. Also, watch my next video on a proper paper presentation to get 95 plus percentage in your board examination. See you all in my next video. All the best.